Another type of data conversion is when you use static casting, when you cast a number to look like a different type just for the calculation. It does not change what the number is, how the number is stored in memory. So an integer would still be stored as an integer, but the computer just converts it during the calculation. And the reason why we need to think about things like that is here's a program that asks the user for the number of cookies they've eaten, and then it will divide the number of cookies by 3 to determine the number of servings they have eaten. So if I run this program, and I say they've eaten 5 cookies, it says that they ate 1 serving of cookies. Well, they had more than 1 serving, right? Only 3 cookies per serving. And we wouldn't want to change this to be a float or the number of cookies to be a float because that would take up more memory. And those are really just integer values. They will always be integer values. So what we can do is we can change one of the operands to look like a double or a float for the calculation. And to do that, you'll use static cast brackets. You will put the type that you want it to change to, and then you'll put the variable in parentheses. So we are saying change num cookies to look like a float just for this calculation, because remember, only one operand needs to be a float or a double in order to save the decimal portion. So when I run this again, and if I have eaten 5 cookies, I ate 1.6667 servings of cookies.